We all know that forests play an important role in human life and are the breathing lungs of the earth. These beautiful places are one of the best places for a change of weather and rejuvenation. The Amazon forest is the largest rainforest in the world, and these days it has attracted the attention of many adventurous tourists. The virgin nature of this forest is the most important reason why tourists like to travel to it. Animals and creatures are also an inseparable part of the Amazon forest, and due to the suitable environment, we see a large number of them. Living throughout this beautiful region. Seeing and watching this rare wildlife is also a pleasure that you get in few places. But the Amazon still has many unknown areas and animals, and traveling to it is a bit dangerous, and you should travel there with a skilled guide. Among the animals that live in the Amazon, some of them are very dangerous and deadly, and if you don't know them, you may risk your life. In this episode, we are going to introduce some of the animals of the Amazon forest that, contrary to their appearance, can easily lead you to death. If you are also an Amazon lover, be sure to watch this video until the end before the trip, and note that the list starts with the most dangerous animal. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video before watching the video. Number 1. Poisonous frog. The poison frog is at the top of the list of the deadliest creatures in the Amazon. In the following, we will discuss the most interesting points about this beautiful frog. It lives in swamps, lakes, streams, and rivers of the Amazon forest and has hooves or feet. They are gold, copper, red, and even blue and green. The poison in these frogs can easily kill 10 adult humans. Don't be fooled by their beautiful skin. If someone tries to cut it, they will quickly remove the poison, swelling, paralysis, and finally death. Researchers who have poisoned frogs in captivity take the poison and actually produce their own poison by eating ants, centipedes, and other insects, possibly eventually acquiring the poison. From the plants eaten by these insects, it reaches the frog. There is a type of snake in the Amazon jungle that can feed on these frogs without any problems. Number 2. Snake anaconda is a group of snakes living in the tropical regions of South America. Anaconda means a good swimmer, and so far, 4 species have been identified. Among these species, green anaconda, the largest species of this snake, is the most famous, and its appearance is similar to large snakes that we usually hear when the snake name is. Green anaconda is the heaviest, largest, and longest snake in South America and can be up to 3 meters long. But the interesting thing about green anaconda is that in terms of diameter and weight, it is the largest snake, not only in South America, but in the whole world. But in terms of length, the python is the longest snake in the world. Another of anaconda, spotted, and anaconda bolivia. Both are about 5 meters long, but they are rare enough to have little information about them. As the name of anaconda bolivia is known, this snake is found only in the Amazon forests of Bolivia, and you have to go to the Brazilian Amazon forests to see anaconda. Yellow is the smallest species of anaconda and is about 3 to 4 meters long. The snake female is larger than the male, and both live in the water. It has been years since the films and the media have been portrayed as a cannabis, and even the Amazon people themselves consider the legendary animal that stole people. To prove this, a naturalist wore a protective clothing and went near green anaconda. But anaconda did not attack and escaped. Green hunts most fish, birds, and mammals near water. Even sometimes they eat their kind, which is not clear. Anaconda is also capable of eating larger animals, such as long nasal pigs. None of the 4 types of these snakes are toxic and wrap around and strangle it for hunting. Number 3. Jaguar. Jaguar is a predatory animal that lives in South America. This animal is known as one of the biggest and most powerful cats in the world. Jaguar has a strong and muscular body, big head and very sharp teeth. The color of its skin is usually dark brown and large black. Circular marks are seen on its body, which are called apertures. This animal lives in forests and desert areas and hunts alone or in pairs. The jaguar attacks many livestock, including bears, deer, and wild pigs. Because of its strength and high speed, this animal can easily kill its prey. The jaguar is also known as an important animal in some cultures and legends. In some Native American tribes, the jaguar is used as a symbol of strength and courage. Also, this animal had been portrayed as a popular and scary character in movies and books. In general, protecting the jaguar and preserving its environment is of great importance. This animal plays an important role in maintaining the balance of nature and maintaining biodiversity, and therefore, efforts should be made to prevent its extinction. Number 4. Brazilian spider. The Brazilian wandering spider with the scientific name Phonutria is the name of a genus of wandering spiders, native to the tropical forests of Central and South America. The body color of these animals is dark, and their length is about 17 km. These animals walk on the forest floor at night, and that is why they are called wanderers. It should also be added that during the day they hide under stones, and especially under banana fruits. That's why they are also called banana spiders. It is important to know that if they enter people's homes, they enter the wardrobe or shoes. These animals are very poisonous and aggressive and will bite several times if threatened. Brazilian wandering spider bites are very painful. These animals are the most poisonous spiders recorded in the Guinness World Records. 0.6 meg of their venom can easily kill a mouse. The bite of these animals can kill an adult human within an hour. They are responsible for more human deaths than any other species. However, most victims are children under the age of 7. These animals usually live 1 to 2 years. They mate during the dry season from April to June, which leads to frequent sightings of the species at this time. Piranhas are famous for their proven ability to devour large animals and large fish, and even humans at times. However, no case of human death by this fish has been recorded so far. On the contrary, people take piranha for food because piranha meat is delicious and pleasant. Piranhas usually feed on smaller fish, often simply by biting off their fins. But under certain conditions, especially if they are trapped in a dry lake, these fish will attack any other animal that accidentally falls into the water. Of course, only 4 or 5 species out of the total of 20 piranha species are dangerous in this respect. Piranha fish choose areas of South American waters where freshwater is the habitat and carnivorous species in the form of large schools of fish. They are absorbed into the blood, as well as moving through the water. Some Indian tribes living in South America traditionally use piranha teeth as cutting tools. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel for support.